Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in new American Funding account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link www.newamericanfunding.com/myloan. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of New American Funding. From here you'll be able to log into your account. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for send documents and login. So simply click on the option login. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into the New American Funding account. If you do not have the account yet, you can register for your account by clicking on this option, register your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, simply enter your username and password. So click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now what you have to do is click on the field of password and enter the password. Now after doing that, if you want this browser to remember your username, check on this box, remember my username. Also, you'll have to agree to the user terms and privacy policy. So check on this box too. Likewise, if you've forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on this option, forgot username or forgot password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the username and password, simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After doing that, in another interface, you'll have to enter the verification code sent to your email. Simply enter the verification code and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in New American Funding account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.